Maxxon LEVEL EZ is designed to level interior gypsum and concrete substrates, providing a smooth, fire-rated, floor goods-ready surface. Over a properly prepared substrate, prime using Maxxon Fortify Primer, following instructions found on the technical datasheet. Mix LEVEL EZ powder and water using a high-speed mixer with a Jiffy mixing paddle for approximately 2.5 minutes. Pour LEVEL EZ, spreading the material with a gauge rake to the desired depth. Minimum depth required for LEVEL EZ is 1/4 inch. Once the LEVEL EZ has been applied, follow with a suitable smoother to de-aerate the material. Light foot traffic can resume after 4 hours. Follow dry times found on the LEVEL EZ technical datasheet for floor goods installation. Gypcrete was only the beginning. Count on Renovation by Maxxon for maintenance solutions for the life of your building.